Perfect.
What up, the fam? Your boy out here with another video. Today we're gonna be starting the process of me sanding down my bed. As you can tell, I picked up this rotating sander, and then I picked up some sanding pads. I got 220 and 120. We're gonna start off with the 120, and then go down to the 220. And then after we sand down the bed, see if there's any uneven surfaces. We might have to bondo it, and then we'll primer the bed and everything. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Start off by removing everything just like last time, and then we'll just start sanding up here, mostly where the cracks are. Alright guys, this is where I'm at right now. Still need a little bit more here. Trying to get this all flat. Maybe a little bit up here too, as you can tell there's still a little bit of crack right here. Then I gotta move down here. Start sanding all this right here. I gotta start sanding this. And all that. And all these little spots right here, but we're getting there. Alright guys, so we got the bed to this stage. It's pretty much all sanded. Many parts that were cracking or anything, I sanded it down. Now what I'm gonna do is probably just rinse it off, get all the dust off. Once we get the bed rinsed off, we'll go ahead and go pick up my bondo and then start bondoing all the spots that I see that are kind of low, even everything out. Once everything's bondoed, I'm gonna sand it again, and then the last step would be pretty much just priming the bed, getting it ready for paint. But let's go ahead and wash it down. Picked up my handy dandy bondo, and I also picked up the hardener, because you can't get the bondo to get hard without the hardener, and I couldn't find the one I had for this one. I had to go buy a new one, but I had to go buy some filler primer anyways, so it all worked out. I also picked up some extra spatulas to spread the bondo, because the one I had kind of old and crusty. But yeah, for now I'm gonna start off by hardening some bondo in a surface, probably like a piece of cardboard or something, so I can start spreading it. Here it is. I'm just gonna use this Coca-Cola cardboard. Use this as my little platform to spread and mix the bondo, and use it as my little plate to start spreading it everywhere. To properly mix bondo, I don't know, probably a lot of you don't know how to do it or never worked with bondo. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. It's not too hard. Here's our bondo. We're just gonna get like a little glop going. And pretty much you want like a blob of like 2 inches tall. And for the hardener, you just do one line across. But what we're gonna mix the hardener first while it's inside. Like I said, just one line across, like that. And then to mix it, you don't want to stir it in circles like you would food. You want to flatten it out and mix it until it's one continuous color. Pretty much you don't want to create no air bubbles in the Bondo. And it turns into one solid color. That's when your Bondo is ready.
Meanwhile,
Guys, now that we got some Bondo laid down, it's time to start sanding again. And then once we're done sanding, we'll Bondo one more time. And then after that, we can primer.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, the Bondo's most of the way sanded. I'm gonna sand them just a little bit more. I'm gonna Bondo the spots one more time, and then we'll get ready to primer. Alright guys, so we're pretty much done with the Bondo. I hit it with some spot putty. This pretty much just fills in the little holes inside the Bondo. I'm gonna give it a one last sanding with 220 grit, and then I'm just gonna prime the whole panel, and then we should be done for today. Alright guys, so I ran out of primer towards the end, as you can tell. There's a little patch right here, I couldn't finish it. And then I decided to write dope theft on the bed, just for fun. But yeah, that's everything I'm going to do for it today. I am gonna get a sanding block and start blocking the whole bed just to get everything even, because it's hard to get everything even when you have a sander. So I'm gonna get a sanding block and start wet sanding and blocking the whole bed. Hopefully that will make the bed a little more even. As you can tell, there's blotches. We gotta even out all those blotches. But yeah, other than that, I think I did pretty good today. So that's it for today guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to turn on your bell notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. And I have been reading my comments guys, and a lot of you are telling me just to paint the truck, not to wrap it again. And here's the problem with that. So I already got a quote for my paint job. It's gonna be around 3 to 4K. And I don't have that type of money right now, to be honest. I'm not rich, so it's gonna take me a minute to get the actual paint job done. And then there's a show coming up in the last 2 weeks, and there's no way I'm able to come up with that money and get it done by that time. So I'm gonna wrap it. Don't know the color yet, and then after that, I'm gonna save up and we'll get the truck painted. Don't worry guys, the truck will get painted, just not yet. If it were up to me and I had the money, it would have been painted a long time ago, but you know, life's not easy. So there goes for everybody commenting on my last video where I was pulling off the bed saying paint it, why don't you just paint it? Well, that's why. But that's it guys, deuces.